we are going to start immediately because today it is announced almost 40 degrees and now it's 7 or 8 o'clock, I am not sure. Yeah, sorry for my face, it's early in the morning, but I want to start working on the Opel something. I want to remove the bumper to see if we can save this bumper, to remove the headlight, to order a new one, and to work as much as we can on this car because it's an easy fix, and I want to prepare the car and ready to sell in a few days. And I'm going to start with the check engine light. I want to see why we have that check engine light, for what. In order to do that we have to connect our software with the car, yeah. For the OBD port you have to remove this plastic from here, okay, and in there take the cover out, and okay, now we have to plug our programmer. Yeah, the lights are on, and rather to connect through Bluetooth, I'm going to connect directly through cable. Okay, let's start the car, not the ignition on, because I don't know if the battery is good or not. So let's see, maybe it's going to work with auto diagnostic. Oh yeah, okay, and now we have to, this is a petrol, we have a 1.8 liters. Oops, we have two variants. Okay, I'm gonna choose the first one. Because like I said, I didn't receive the documents yet. Let's see. Okay, connected. Yeah, the error is gone. Okay, it isn't back on. That's a good sign. Okay, let's read the codes again. No fault codes. Yeah, perfect. That's done. Let's reset the inspection now. So that should be it. Yeah, no error code anymore. I think I reset the inspection sign. Let's see. Engine off. Put the ignition back on. Yep, we don't see any inspection in there. No more check engine light. So that's done. I've already reset that because I'm going to change oil and spark plugs and stuff like that, and that's why I've done it now. So that's done. We can unplug from here. We can put the cover. Anyway, I'm going to put everything back together, and I think we are going to remove the front bumper now. I've just synced one key with the car. Oops. Exactly when I wanted to show you, it doesn't work anymore. Yeah, wait a second. So close, open. It works, and I wanted to sync the second key, and check this out. The battery tray is unplugged from the electronics of the key, I have to solder these pins in there. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that because it's very tight. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna try, and after that sync this key as well. Now we have two working keys. Yeah, check this out. Oops. Yeah, lock, unlock. I think the battery is weak because it works, but only if you are close to the car. The second one, yep. This headlight is done, of course, but I'm gonna reuse the light bulbs, yeah, and maybe this gasket. I'm not sure if the new headlight will come with this gasket. This one is in pretty good shape. It's not cut or something like that. So I have to put the car on the inspection pit because I cannot raise the car enough in order to take out the wheel because it's too low to the ground, and I'm gonna remove the screws from underneath from the inspection pit. So let's do that. Now with the bumper remove, we can clearly see that we have a small bend in here. I can leave it like this. I can remove it and try to make it straight. Either way it's working, yeah, because nothing is pushed back or something like that. The only thing that is giving me a little bit of concern is these bends here on the condenser. For the climate control is working. I'm not sure, maybe I'm lucky, and I'm gonna check in a few days to see if it will work again. If not, I will replace the condenser, and I know that the compressor is working and everything else. Now I'm gonna try to reshape this back, and I think I'm going to remove this as well in order to fix it. Here on the bumper I've noticed a crack in here, but I can repair this easily, and this I'm pretty sure that has to be in here on the fog light, yeah. So I have to remove the fog light and repair this one as well. Now it's time to try to repair the bumper. I'm going to use my wife's hair dryer, and if if this won't work, I'm going to put some boiled water, and for sure that will work. And it's almost done. Yeah, of course almost, because I just put it back into shape. I'm going to try to make it perfect, of course, and it was an easy job. Like I said, it's almost done. Now it's time to repair the fog light. I have to sand a little bit both sides. I'm going to use something like this, yeah. And I hope this will resolve the problem. This will cure in the sun now. It's perfect, it's gonna hold. Yeah, the other one doesn't have any problem. I've repaired this crack as well. I'm going to leave this side in the sun. Like I said, today is going to be almost 40 degrees. I'm gonna leave it like this in the sun to be more flexible, and I'm gonna try to do it better than this. And after that I have to repair this metal bracket as well. I think this is just a reinforcement. With that removed, we can clearly see that we have no damage. Yeah, everything is in its place, and this is the bend part. I'm gonna try to straighten that out because it's not that complicated, it's not that bad. It was bent just in here, and now it's straight, it's leveled, and yeah, I'm gonna paint this as well. And pretty much that's about it. I have to order headlight and put back the bumper, which is in here, and the job done. That's it for this car. So easy fix, like I said. I think I'm gonna close this video now here, because I just have to wait for the new parts to come, and in the next episode the car should be ready and put for sale. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like this episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.